Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a little tip I discovered while making miniature houses, how to quickly cut popsicle sticks. When making miniature models, I often use different sizes of popsicle sticks because they are cost effective and so easy to buy. In the early days of my crafting journey, I usually draw lines on both sides of popsicle stick, score the line with a craft knife, and then use pliers to snap it apart, which left a relatively clean edge, and sand it. However, while trimming branches in my backyard recently, I noticed that garden scissors could easily cut through even thicker branches. This got me thinking, why not try use them to cut popsicle sticks? So I tried it and the result was amazing. The garden scissors slide through every size of popsicle stick I had, leaving nice and clean cuts. But one thing to keep it in mind, it is suitable for cutting a direction perpendicular to the wood grain or for cutting a curved edge. And it cannot be used to cut parallel to the wood texture, otherwise the wood gonna split. Since switched to this method, I've found that my crafting has become even faster. I'm sharing this little trick with you today in the hope that it helps with your project too. If you have any different method, please feel free to leave a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more crafting hacks. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.